Hello, I'm Bob Trombley, Superintendent of Montague's Water Pollution Control Facility. The WPCF staff has produced this presentation to answer the question asked of us recently: what do you need to continue bringing in the revenue you are generating at the plant? But first, some history.
Although originally constructed as a conventional waste-activated sludge facility, our unique process allows the town to realize a significant increase in revenue and an associated reduction in operating costs. In an average week, we take in around $10,000 in fees for trucked-in waste, which could be increased. 7 years ago, John Little, our lead operator, visited a wastewater treatment plant in Germany and brought home an idea that would change how we process wastewater. Instead of paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to truck residual solids off-site, we created a habitat where the microbes that digest waste thrive. Through a delicate balance of aerobic, anaerobic, and anoxic phases, we manage the microbial communities and their appetites. They do the heavy lifting of processing. We've modified and added equipment as needed to increase efficiency of the biological process in a cost-effective manner. We work to improve our microbes' habitat so that more waste is processed and revenue is maximized. We currently receive trucked-in waste from 24 towns to feed our biological communities. Since John's visit to Germany, the entire staff, from laborer to superintendent, has embraced this outside-the-box approach to managing wastewater. And that's good, because it takes more effort doing it this way. Constant communication, monitoring, and adjustments are crucial. The Montague Water Pollution Control Facility team has developed a cutting-edge biological technique to process domestic and industrial wastewater. We believe this process will change the industry standard for wastewater treatment and is better for the environment. We are doing well and want to grow the revenue.
In June 2015, I was asked by the town, what do you need to continue this new process and the income it generates? The answer is this: there are two areas that need attention: staffing and equipment repair and upgrade. We currently have a team that has the extraordinary ability to analyze problems and outline necessary courses of action. They know how to push the limits of the biological process to make it work harder for us. We have an expert fabricator who designs and builds cost-effective and ingenious mechanical improvements to facilitate the biological process. We call him Da Vinci. The staff here doesn't just follow a procedure, they make the procedure better. Let's just call it continuous improvement. I will be retiring within a year. My goal is that the town continues to benefit from the income our process generates. Nationally, no one is running their plant the way we do. My concern is that a new superintendent unfamiliar with and intimidated by the challenges of our system revert to conventional waste-activated sludge treatment and discontinue our process, thereby losing revenue and savings because it's too complex and demanding. Many water pollution control facilities are moving toward a more lateral management style. This is my plan for the near future. Kate Jones will be the administrator. John Little will be promoted to chief operator. Tina Tyler, in addition to her current lab tech responsibilities, will take on industrial pretreatment coordination duties. I think this is the best personal configuration to assure the successful future of the plant and to best serve the people of Montague. This is a level-funded staffing plan. Staffing is critical, but it is only half the picture. The other half is infrastructure. The original plant was built in 1962 and needs upgrades to function and to maximize staffing efficiency. This is what you might see if you drive by the plant, but there's a whole lot more below the surface. There is aging infrastructure, lots of motors, valves, pumps, and hundreds of electrical control components, as well as miles of cabling. There is need for a planned approach to maintenance and upgrades. Here are my suggestions. These investments will allow us to increase trucked-in waste. Revenue from that increase will pay for 1. That new equipment, and 2. Replacement and upgrade of aging existing equipment. I have looked at the numbers, and it is doable. In order for Montague to continue enjoying the financial benefits described, staffing and equipment issues must be addressed. I am pleased that we have developed the above plan. It accomplishes our goals with no negative impact on the taxpayers or sewer ratepayers. As part of the current budget process, I will meet with the Sewer Commission, Personnel Board, Finance, and Capital Improvements Committees to finalize the staffing plan and to lock down the capital improvements plan. The staff of the Montague WPCF and I thank you for the opportunity to make this presentation, and we welcome questions and comments.